Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications as we upload one new recipe every day. Today's special recipe is a potato lover's delight. It's Achari Aloo. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. So I've boiled baby potatoes here. Just remove the skin. So if you don't have baby potatoes, you can do this recipe using the large potatoes. So first we're going to grind this masala powder. For this you need about 7 to 8 red chillies, half teaspoon fenugreek, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds. So you're going to grind this without adding any water to get a nice masala powder. Take a saucepan. I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Kalonji seeds, that's onion seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next add 2 teaspoons of garlic paste and 2 teaspoons of ginger paste. So once you added the ginger garlic paste, add 300 grams of boiled baby potatoes. Roast the potatoes. Once the potatoes turn golden, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon chilli powder, salt. So now I'm going to add the powdered masala. Add 3 tablespoons of vinegar. This is to give you a nice tangy flavor. Add half teaspoon of kala namak and 1 teaspoon of sugar. So I'm adding the sugar just to balance the flavor. So there you have this lovely spicy and tangy Achari Aloo. So do try and enjoy it with your family. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.